Welcome to Discover Science. So, do you have a menu or a flyer in your house that sticks to a refrigerator or a metal door? That's really interesting, right? But there are some that don't stick to the refrigerator and they don't stick to metal tables or doors. What do you suppose the difference is? The difference is behind the menu or behind the flyer. There's a little magnet, and the magnet helps it stick to certain surfaces. Look around your house and maybe you can find one with a magnet on the other side. Discover. Today's materials: a magnet and paper clips. Let's learn about magnets. Now, this is a magnet. It's a really big magnet, and it attracts to certain things. Now, let's see what is magnetic and what is not magnetic. Let's look at these paper clips, okay? Will it stick to each other? No, they do not stick to each other. So they're not magnets, right? All right, now let's take a look at some other stuff. I said this is a big magnet. Let's see if the magnet will stick to the paper clips. Whoa! Whoa! Almost like magic, right? Let's try again. It just floats up to the sky like this. Look, I didn't even touch it. Oh! See that? So actually, these paper clips are magnetic because they stick to the magnet. Shall we try some other things? What do you think will stick to the magnet and what will not stick to the magnet? Now, the paper clips did stick to the magnet. How about this highlighter? Yes? No? Let's see. No, it doesn't stick. This is made of plastic, so maybe plastic is not magnetic. How about this hairpin? Okay, the hairband is also plastic. This one did not stick to plastic, so yeah, it does not work. Plastic doesn't work. How about money? How about a coin? Maybe this will work, huh? Oh, no? No, coins don't stick. Oh, that goes here. All right, let's see. Oh, a battery. Okay. Who says yes? No? Let's see. Ooh. So a battery is magnetic. Wow. So this will go here with the paper clips. What's next? How about wood? Can you hear the wood? Do you think the wood will stick to the magnet? No, it doesn't. Wood is not magnetic. How about this doll? Oh yeah, the doll will not stick. Oh, not magnetic. Let's see. Scissors. Let's see. Oh, ooh. Look. This part of the scissors is a different material. It sticks to the magnet. But this part is plastic. No, this doesn't stick, right? Only this part. Here. And we have one more. I had some bread for breakfast, and this was tied around the bread. You know what this is, right? Well, let's see if it's magnetic. Oh, it is. It goes on this side. So let's see. Batteries, paper clips, scissors, and this tie all are magnetic. Woo! Whoa! And wood, plastic, and cloth are not magnetic. So a magnet is attracted to scissors, batteries, paper clips. Why? Because these are all made of iron. Iron is attracted to magnets. They stick to magnets like this, all right? But if you look at a magnet, it has two poles, south and north. If you put two parts next to each other, they will attract, but the opposite side does not attract. Also, the two ends are most strong. So they're very strong here, and the pull is very strong here, and the pull is weakest here. Okay, let's take a look. See? Woo-hoo. Oh, they're stuck. I can't even pull it apart. Whoa! All right, so they're strong at the ends, but they're not strong here. All right, for Think More, why don't you go around the house and see what objects are attracted to your magnet and what do not. Make a pile of things that are magnetic.